everybody, this is Abby from Abby and Samantha, and today this is going to be another DIY video, and this is DIY mascara from a blueberry. So let's get started. So for this, you can use fresh blueberries or frozen blueberries. We're using frozen blueberries because we don't have fresh blueberries. And if you're using frozen blueberries, you can just put some into a cup, small container, whatever you have, and then you can warm these up until they're kind of defrosted, but they're still a little cold since you don't want it to be boiling. So I would say like 7 seconds would be fine, depending on how strong your microwave is. So yeah, they're pretty frozen. You could need more than that, depending how long you keep them in the freezer. So then now we can put like 10 seconds. Interesting. Science.
That's just science for you.
Okay, yeah, they're pretty good. And you still want them a little frozen, since that's when the color kind of comes out. And you can use a fork to mash them up, or you could use the electronic pureer thingy. But the fork, I think, gets a lot more of the pigment out. And for fresh blueberries, you could just throw them in the container and start mashing them up. But other than that, it's pretty easy. After you're done with the completed product, depending on how dark or how light you want your color to be, you can just apply it on your lashes with a Q-tip or a regular mascara brush, one that's clean. And since this is actually a fruit and it's not like the actual like mascara formula, you can use baby powder to make your eyelashes look longer and thicker. And the trick is that you could use the baby powder if you want your eyelashes thicker to look more voluminous. You can put it close to your lash line, the baby powder, and if you want your eyelashes to be longer, then you would just put it on the tips of your eyelashes and then just apply mascara. You could do a couple coats since, like I said before, this isn't the actual mascara formula. But that's pretty much all you have to do. And after you're done crushing them, you can take the back of the fork and just squish the skin, since most of the color is in the skin anyway. But I would say that both fresh blueberries and frozen blueberries would work. And another thing is that if you're using fresh blueberries, you have to freeze them for like 5 minutes until they're like half squishy and half frozen, because that's when most of the pigment comes out. So that's pretty much it. You can already see the color coming out. And then the skin, you can either strain it or crush it even more, depending on how much product you want. But this won't last a long time since it is just a blueberry and it could rot. So I would suggest, if you're planning on using it for a long time, I would suggest putting it in the fridge, storing it in the fridge. If not, if you're using it just for like one time, you could just throw it away. But storing it in the fridge is a lot better. It's a lot better choice. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. Bye.